आवाहन करते हैं। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरु को वंदन करते हुए गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Respected CDO sir, PS madam, DPM sir, DPC sir, DME sir, hospital manager, all my lab technicians of RT-PCR, staff of tuberculosis, my main supporting who always care me, Rehan ji, and all present delegates here. It is a great opportunity that today we are celebrating one successfully happy first anniversary of our RT-PCR lab. When we discuss about advanced diagnostics test, then the term comes that is RT-PCR. And when we are discussing that RT-PCR is running under district hospital, it is really a remarkable point. When we recall initial day of our approval, in that time 5 samples were given by IGMS hospital, and that was unknown sample, and we have to test that sample, and we did this. That was a really difficult task, but under supervision of CDO sir and current DPC sir, we have successfully did this and we got approval. With very pleasure today I am sharing that till today we have tested 3,77,000 RT-PCR tests in 1 year, out of which 802 positive sample and remain negative. This target is achieved by not only me, it is completed by the help of my lab technicians. They have not taken any kind of leave, even in Holi, Diwali, Chhat, Durga Puja, any kind of festivals. They have given their presence in their lab and they tested the sample. In July 2022 and August 2022, in case of positivity, after capital of Bihar, Patna, we came on second number in positivity. That was really a difficult situation because all my RT-PCR staff, including me, get positive. But when we get cured, again we have started the work and we completed this milestone. During 1 year, this complete successfully tested work is done by our staffs, including me, under supervision of CDO sir, under guidance of DS madam, and one person he is not here, but already I have called him, that is store manager, Mr. Srinivasi, because any laboratory or any organizations required material, and whenever I visited him and indented any kind of material, they always try to provide that material as soon as possible. Whenever I try to apply any kind of better rule for the quality test, and whenever I discuss with CDO sir always listen my whatever I want to share with him, and if it is necessary, then immediately they accept and apply in the laboratory. Whenever required any kind of electrical support, any kind of sudden happening in the laboratory, then hospital managers sir immediate take action and they always try to sort out that problem. So overall, in very short, I would like to thank you so much to all for coming here, and especially my sorting staff who is sorting the sample. She is not here. There is a 3 sisters who is doing work very gratefully, because it is a very important before testing to giving the particular number on the sample. I called, but she is not coming. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Apart of that, one data operator, I received a data operator, that is Rahul Kumari. Right now he is here. And Rahul Kumar also done very great work, because we are testing in the laboratory, but it is very important to upload that result on the portal given by the Bihar government. So he is also doing very well. Thank you so much to all, and we are now invite CDO sir before cutting the cake to motivate our lab technicians, because they are getting whatever the salary they are getting, but they are doing very good work, sir, in the laboratory. So I would like to request CDO sir from the chair, they give some good motivation to my